Klever Carpet Cleaning is like the premium choice for carpet cleaning here in Auckland. We're a small business, only 4 years old. We've got 3 vans on the road. Our promise to clients is that if we can't get the stain out, nobody can. There's a number of different things that we provide that sort of set us apart from the rest. Our pink vans, our logo, our uniform. We're using the gold standard in truck-mounted machines imported from America. The technology that we use allows us to communicate with clients better. All these things add up to a premium experience and a great customer experience that's unmatched by any of the other guys. The tech that we can't live without, there'd be quite a few things I can think of, but I'd say our CRM system, a product called ServiceMate from Australia. We use that to manage our jobs and our scheduling with clients. We manage the staff with it, we manage our invoicing and billing, and all the automated customer service and follow-up before and after the job. The ServiceMate is probably the hub of our business, and then we combine that with integrations to Xero for our accounting. We also integrate that with the website for easy lead management as well. It makes the business incredibly easy to manage and removes 10 hours a week minimum of accounting and administrative things that I've seen my competitors doing who aren't using these systems. One of the core things that our staff have are iPads. So our staff, they jump in their van at the beginning of the day, quickly pull up what job's first, and then navigate to that job. Our clients receive a notification to tell them that our staff member is actually on the way. It gets my staff to the job, but it also prepares the client to receive the staff member. The client's already moved their car out of the way, given us a place to park. It means that they've picked up the stuff in the lounge room and made space for us to work. We're actually making our life as a business easier because the jobs are taking less time, there's less fussing, there's less mess, there's less hassles. When our staff are done with the work, we actually use mobile EFTPOS machines. Basically, at the end of each day, Xero will pull in our bank transactions and it brings in the invoices that we've distributed, and then I can just open Xero and basically go click, 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 reconcile, match the invoice to the payment, and it's a 5-minute job each day. Most of our communication is done through the app. We put lots of job notes in, but for ad hoc stuff and stuff on the fly that's quick and general, we actually have a WhatsApp group. The nice thing about that is one staff member can ask a question, but all the staff members can benefit from the answer. The other cool thing about WhatsApp is it's searchable. They can always go back and search for that answer any other time in the WhatsApp chat. And it stops them from calling me every time the same problem pops up. What we're completely focused on is SEO, search engine optimization, which is coming up in the free listings on Google. People might go to Google and type in wine stain or my cat peed on the carpet. These are the problems that people have, and we're the solution. And so when people type those questions into Google, they're finding our content. The other part we do other than blogging is creating particular pages on our website for each service and for each area that we offer that service in. So we have a page for carpet cleaning in Remuera. We also have a page for carpet cleaning in Howick, and it's been instrumental for us getting business and making sure that we do cover all of Auckland. I'm probably lucky in a lot of regards compared to most business owners that I had a web background, so I was able to put the website together using WordPress myself. Paying a little bit of money to get some proper design done, in my mind, it's a really, really solid investment because it's going to make you look professional online. It's going to build the trust of people on your website so they want to call you when they get to your website. It sort of shows that you're a serious professional. I'm a big fan for investing as much as you can, as quickly as you can. I guess we call it stop to sharpen the axe. Basically, if you're running around with a blunt axe, it's going to be pretty hard to cut down trees. Whereas if you stop and sharpen the axe, you're probably going to cut down a lot more trees a lot more easily. And it's a really great metaphor for business as well.